Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to week number 2 of HTM 101. Great job on your introductions and the first assignment about the criteria you find most important in service evaluations. We'll get to that in just a minute with an exercise that will last all semester long. But for this week, we are going to focus on the hotel business. I do like to preface this by saying that a lot of times when people think about hospitality, they only think about hotels. And while we're starting here, certainly it's not only going to be about hotels. This first section is going to be about the hotel business and how ownership and development contracts come into place. Franchising, management contracts. It's kind of sometimes a fun exercise to look at different properties within a brand. And you really can't tell whether they're managed by that brand or they're franchised to another company to be able to manage. So we'll explore that a little bit, as well as classifications of hotels, vacation ownership, which is one of the faster growing segments of the business. And then we'll focus next on the service evaluations that you contributed to. So I'm switching the slides here to look at this service evaluation project, and I have put the document here as well. The service evaluation and the items that you thought that was most important in the service evaluation, and I did just classify it in alphabetical order. The items that you thought were most important: availability to get assistance. This could be whether in a restaurant setting or customer service and calling for some help. Cleanliness came up quite a bit. Communication, consistency, credibility and reliability, efficiency, overall experience, which many people said, I find that to be the most ambiguous because I'm not really sure, but kind of the overall feel of the experience. Also for it to be a personalized experience, looking for quality, a smooth experience. Staff attitude, demeanor, professionalism came up quite a few times, a variety of offerings. And then the final question, would I recommend or would I go back to that particular establishment? So in viewing these for this week, I do have an exercise. This discussion is going to be open all semester long. This is how it works. You'll submit in the discussion thread your service experience. It could be any kind of service experience: Lyft, Uber, Amazon, a restaurant experience, a hotel experience, any customer service experience. And you'll be able to kind of give your story, and in that story, highlighting these criteria to see if that affected your overall experience. And also I want to make sure that you're not only contributing to the service evaluations with your own stories, but also responding to other evaluations. So as you can see, it'll be 10 points for your own service evaluation, and then 5 points when you comment or respond to a peer's evaluation. So plenty of opportunities throughout this semester, and I do really enjoy being able to conduct this exercise because when I did this class in person, we would often start with this as a method to really think about how we evaluate service as being one of the main components of this class and exploring it. So I really look forward to your submissions. You could also, I should point out, maybe not even necessarily as a customer, but if you have a job in the service industry and you want to explain it from the employment side of it or the worker side of it, I appreciate that as well. So I look forward to your submissions. I look forward to your thoughts on this week 2 topic of the hotel business, and have a great week ahead. Thank you.